Are you someone with severe hair fall? Do you have bald patches on your scalp? Doesn't matter it's the male pattern baldness or the female pattern baldness. I have got you covered. I can transform your hair from this to this. You can see the new hair growth. And to be honest, this is my own personal experience. This remedy is my tried and tested. I am Dr. Madiha Bhayani and I am a licensed hair care practitioner. I have brought an amazing rosemary serum for you, which will not only stop your hair fall but also increases your hair growth. The only thing is you have not to be deficient in any nutrition and should not have any hormonal imbalance. So let's dive into the remedy. In a clean dry pan, begin by adding 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary leaves. Alternatively, you may use fresh rosemary sprigs if available. Fresh rosemary is lush, fragrant, and carries more water content. It's ideal when you want mild hydration and aroma. Dried rosemary, on the other hand, is more concentrated and shelf stable. Its stronger infusion makes it preferable when targeting hair regrowth and the scalp stimulation. Rosemary promotes microcirculation in the scalp, allowing more nutrients and oxygen to reach the hair follicles. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce the scalp inflammation, which is often a hidden cause of the hair fall. Rosemary can stimulate dormant follicles and extend the anagen, which is the growth phase of the hair cycle. It also helps reduce the DHT buildup. DHT is the dihydrotestosterone, which is a hormone linked to the pattern hair loss. Add around 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds now to the pan. Fenugreek is rich in phytoestrogens and trigonelin, which strengthen the hair roots and delay the graying. It helps prevent scalp dryness, itching, and flakiness. When soaked or boiled, fenugreek forms a natural slippery mucilage, which detangles and softens the hair strands. Now add around 1 tablespoon of kalonji seeds. You can call it black seeds or Nigella sativa. Kalonji has been used for centuries in Unani and Ayurvedic medicines to help with the hair loss. It contains thymoquinone, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Kalonji or the black seeds purifies the scalp and fights the fungal infections. It strengthens the follicle environment and may help reverse the minor alopecia patches too. Pour exactly 700 ml of filtered or distilled water into the pan. Stir gently, cover the pan and let the herbs soak for 1 hour. This step helps slowly extract water-soluble compounds before heating. Soaking activates the herbs, relaxing beneficial flavonoids, saponins and alkaloids gently. After 1 hour, open the lid and notice the slight change in the water color. It may appear amber or greenish. Place the pan on the stove and heat on the medium to high flame until it reaches a boil. The water will start to reduce as steam escapes, concentrating and herbal actives. So now, as soon as the mixture starts boiling, reduce the flame to low. Take a small handful of balchar, which is also called a jatamansi, and wash it thoroughly. This root-based herb can carry dust or soil particles. Soak it in the water for 2 to 3 minutes. Squeeze out the excess water and then add to the pan. Jatamansi is not to be confused with Bhringraj. It is especially beneficial for the stress-related hair loss. It improves hair texture and also reduces the premature graying and stabilizes the melanin levels. Now add around 8 to 12 pumpkin seeds. These seeds are rich in zinc, essential for hair tissue growth and repair. They also contain magnesium and omega-6 fatty acids that nourish the scalp. Pumpkin seeds help block the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which actually converts the testosterone into the DHT, the hormone that causes the follicle shrinkage. Add a handful of hibiscus flowers. You can use dried or fresh. Hibiscus encourages regrowth, in which in mucilage for natural conditioning helps maintain scalp pH balance and strengthens the root. The color of the serum will shift, often taking onto a pink or a reddish maroonish hue. Add around 2 tablespoons of chia seeds now and stir. Chia seeds absorb water and release a mild gel. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, which improves the hair elasticity. Chia also acts as a voluminizer and adds slip to the serum. Add around 2 tablespoons of flax seeds now and continue to simmer for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Flax seeds release mucilage that forms the base of your hair serum. They are rich in vitamin B, magnesium, and selenium. The mixture will thicken visibly. You can partially cover the pan during this step. Once you see the thickness, strain the hot mixture using a muslin cloth or the fine strainer. Divide the serum into two bowls and allow it to cool at the room temperature. Make sure if you use the room temperature to make it cool, that's more beneficial. Now don't discard the leftover pulp. Blend it with 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, around half a ripe banana, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice if it suits you and your scalp. This makes a rich hair mask. Apply it to the scalp and hair lengths. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes and then rinse with a mild shampoo. Once your serum has cooled, take one bowl, add 3 to 4 ml of rosemary essential oil, stir well. Do not add essential oil to the bowl that you plan to freeze. Also, the essential oil should not be applied to your scalp directly. Always use it in any of your favorite oils or mix it with the serum like we have mixed it in this case. Pour the second bowl into the ice cube tray and freeze it. Keep in mind, this is that bowl which we have not added rosemary essential oil into. And these cubes are great for the scalp massages, especially in the warm weather or after the sun exposure. If the serum feels too thin, return it to the stove and simmer it for the next 5 to 10 more minutes. You will now have a 2-in-1 herbal care solution, a nutrient-rich serum and a revitalizing mask. Use them 2 to 3 times per week to promote stronger and healthier hair over time. These two remedies are being made, but the most important part is to know how and when to apply this. So let's dive into that. Apply this serum on all the scalp, especially the affected areas. I would recommend you to apply it on the sides, we call it temporal areas, on the top of the head, which is called as crown, or on the partition if you have the longer and bigger partitions. Apply it all over the scalp. This serum can be used as a styling gel too. If you're using it as a styling gel, you can use it daily. But if you're using to cover your bald patches and your treatment for that baldness, then you have to apply it at least thrice a week and you will see the difference by yourself. You do not have to wash your hair specifically after using this, as it can be used as a styling gel too. But if you use it in a larger and bigger quantity, then specifically you have to wash your hair to avoid any stickiness. And after washing, use this rosemary water. Click on this video to see that video. I'll see you there.